It didn't look pretty. Hello everyone, it is Manveer, aka the Turban Outfitter, and welcome to my first video. I want to first of all thank you guys for all the love and support you guys have shown me over social media since I made my announcement last week. It has absolutely been humbling to see you guys' support, and I hope I can live up to it. So, welcome to this channel. It's been in the works for about 5 years now. I started branding myself as Turban Outfitter since 2013, and I always had the goal of doing something in terms of men's fashion or just fashion in general. You know, a little bit of DIY, a little bit of cooking, a little bit of fun here and there. So welcome to my channel. Make yourselves at home. What you can expect from this channel is regular content that has to do with product reviews, that has to do with just a little bit of how-to, because I know a lot of my brothers are they sometimes have a little bit of difficulty navigating the retail shops. So I'm gonna help you guys out. My first video with you guys is going to be a Q&A, a little get to know me. On Friday, after my announcement, I had put up on my Instagram that I will be answering questions, and you guys gave me so many questions to choose from. I thank you guys so much for your input. I have narrowed them down, condensed them down to 10 questions, which I'll be sharing with you folks today. To start off with my name is Manveer Singh, and I live in Delta, British Columbia on the beautiful unceded coastal-ish territories. First question, what is your earliest memory? My earliest memory, I think, has to be my trip to Punjab when I was like 3 years old for my Mama's wedding. It's quite nice that you guys ask this, because I think that's when people kind of saw my creative energy at work, probably not in the best way. So for my fellow Punjabis who are watching this, you guys know what a maya is, and you guys know that the chonk, which is like a pattern of flower that is drawn on the ground in front of the bride and groom. I'm like, this looks pretty. I'm gonna try doing it myself. So I went to the junk and someone would say destroyed it. I Picasso'd it. I took flour and I just, it didn't look pretty, but I am very lucky to have supportive family that support my creative endeavors, and my mamaji, whose wedding it was very, very pleased with my artwork actually. So how did you draw inspiration for decorating your house? So for those who don't know, we recently just moved into a new house, and we built it from the ground up. So it was super exciting because we got to choose everything from the lighting fixtures to the plumbing fixtures, everything. However, it wasn't just a one-person team. It was my mother and my mamaji, the mamaji who was getting married. So yeah, we kind of have a very similar aesthetic. We like kind of clean lines, minimalist but not minimalist, and it's just, we had a lot of fun with the space. We drew inspiration from my mamaji's childhood. So my mom and my mamaji had like a Pinterest board before Pinterest even existed, already curated in their minds. And then I come along, and just so happens that my aesthetic and their aesthetic meshed really well. So what we actually did was we just kind of sat down and we hashed out all of our ideas, everything we wanted, and then we literally scoured every single store in the Lower Mainland to curate everything we want into the house you see today, which I hope to give you guys a video tour of someday. So yeah, that's how that was done. Next question asks, what got you interested in fashion and interiors? Or are you just inspired by Anna Wintour? Yes, I am definitely inspired by Anna Wintour, and also kind of terrified. I didn't really try in high school, but as soon as the university years hit, I was like, bam, I am on this. So what got me into interiors is I think it's very beautiful how dynamic homes can be, and how they're kind of like a reflection of what's on our inside, and it's manifested into this external space where people come into at the end of the day to kind of escape from the outside world. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I think it's romantic, and I think that just the study of how to make those spaces functional, how to make them the best for their, not only just for their fashion, but also for their function. I think it's very fascinating, and it's something that intrigues me. And I'm one of those people that I am very satisfied when I get to do something with my hands, and to create a physical space where me and my family get to live and we get to share our experiences with one another. I think it's very beautiful. And as you can see, this room right now, it's kind of bare bones. Won't be that way for long. I've actually kept it that way because I am actually going to be taking you guys on the journey how I take it from this blank canvas into my personal cocoon that I will be escaping to every single night. So stay tuned for that. Next question. Bucket list. Someone asks me what my bucket list for travels is. So I really want to go back to Europe. I went to Europe in 2009 in high school, and I absolutely fell in love with the cities we went to. We went to Paris, we went to Lucerne in Switzerland, we went to Berlin, we went to Prague, we went to Munich. It was just absolutely beautiful, and I really want to go back, and I want to go visit Rome, I want to go visit Venice, I want to go visit Florence, because it is literally like the capital of men's fashion, my personal opinion. And it's just, I have an extensive bucket list, and I hope to be able to cross it off. So what got me into cooking? What inspired me with my cooking? And the answer is my grandmother and Ina Garten, the barefoot contessa. So when I was little, me and my nanima, we would actually sit and watch TV on the Food Network. And when I was, I think it was in early afternoon when I'd come home from school, Barefoot Contessa used to be on, and my nanima used to be like, "Oh, Manveer, what did she put in that dish?" Because my nanima couldn't speak English, so I would be the interpreter there, and then we would kind of chat about the dish, what we could add to it, what we could learn from, and we would create in the kitchen, and a lot of the times it would absolutely fail, but a lot of the times it would turn out amazing. And just those early memories of being in the kitchen cooking with grandma, and again going back to that theme of creating things with your hands. I think cooking is also an art form. You put so much creative energy into it, and then you get this product that you can then enjoy with those you love around you. So I think it's beautiful. When did I realize I was interested in fashion? I did not care in high school at all. I was like not putting effort into this. It was actually quite unfortunate. I used to go to high school wearing the same hoodie every single day. I was that kid. But as soon as I graduated from high school, I felt like that was when the Manveer inside of me is like, okay, it's time to get out of your cocoon, and it's time to explore who you are as a person. So that's when I started going out into the shops, and I started shopping for myself, and I fell in love with it. And the next one. Aha! Who is your favorite Drag Race contestant? Oh, this is a good one. Whoever asked that one, you guys are good. I'd say it's kind of hard. I love me some Aja. That death drop was out of this world, literally from outer space to planet Earth. Kimchi's artistry is impeccable. And I really respect how the Vixen just does not hold back, and whatever their views are, they project out without holding back. So I think those are my 3 favorites so far. That doesn't mean I don't like any of the rest, it just means these are the 3 that stick out in my mind the most right now. Naomi Smalls as well. I like me some Naomi Smalls. My favorite color and my favorite scheme for fall, because they both involve the same color. So my favorite color has been orange. I don't know why. And now I'm also finding a personal affinity to the color green. I'm noticing I'm wearing a lot of green pants, a lot of green sweaters, a lot of green shirts. I have yet to buy a green Star. I need to do that. In terms of fall color schemes, I love earth tones. I love beiges, I love browns, I love oranges, those burnt warm colors, but I also love to throw in jewel tones like emeralds and rubies and all that. Fall is my favorite time of year, you guys. It's the best time of year. Like, to me, summer is just one giant countdown to fall, and it can just get over with. Probably shouldn't say that because you guys probably aren't gonna subscribe. I love summer, yay! Where do you buy your outfits? I don't buy from a single store. I will go to all the stores, I will see what I like, and then I will scour every single store in the Lower Mainland to see how I can get what I want the best method. But I've noticed that my wardrobe, it's mainly based out of a few brands. I wear a lot of Brooks Brothers, I wear a lot of H&M, a lot of Banana Republic, Tommy Hilfiger, but I'm not exclusive to those brands. Those just, I feel like they just produce a lot of the things that fit into my aesthetic. However, I am more than open to exploring other brands. I have yet to try a consignment store. I don't know why. Maybe I'll take you guys on a journey to my first consignment store journey. And the last question, my goals in life. I think that is a beautiful note to end on. In the words of Beyonce Knowles Carter, my aspiration in life is to be happy. But in all seriousness, it is of course to be happy, but it's also to be able to, this was one of my goals. My goals was to be able to share my creative side with the world, because I believe that it is such a beautiful process. I mean, fashion in general, it's so gorgeous, not just aesthetically, but if you look at it politically, fashion has been changed and shaped by what's been going on in socioeconomic environments. It's about that creativity, making something tangible, making something that you can use in your day-to-day life. It's art, it's political, it's artistic, and it's beautiful. So my goal in life is to share that beauty with the world, and also my goal in life is to be the best me and to leave this world better than the way that I came into it. And with that, I will leave you guys and tune into my next video. I'm going to get into the holiday spirit. Diwali is coming up, and I'm going to walk you guys through some ways you guys can celebrate it through decorations and some food. So make sure you guys keep your eyes peeled for that. I want you guys all to have the best rest of your day, and please like, share, comment down below, share this with your friends, your auntie, your chachi, your mummies, aunts, kitty party friends, chachis, sisters, son, everyone. Share, just share the love. And I thank you guys so much for the love you guys have shown me. Even though I didn't even have a single video out, your love and support gave me motivation that I didn't have before. With that, wishing you guys love and light. Have a great day.